Very good afternoon, class 7th. Uh, in this chapter, we are studying about the heat, okay, and we are studying about the activity 4.3, which is based on measuring of the body temperature, okay. So in previous class, we were discussing about the measure the body temperature of some of your friends, at least 10, with a table 4.2 body temperature of some persons. हमें ये जो चीज़ें हैं वो क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर से करनी है, ठीक है. रिकॉर्ड योर ऑब्जर्वेशन एज इन टेबल 4.2 इज द बॉडी टेम्परेचर ऑफ एवरी पर्सन 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस. The temperature of every person may not be 37 degrees Celsius. It could be slightly higher or slightly lower. Basically, maybe variations. You can see the variations in the temperature of different persons. It could be slightly higher or slightly lower. Actually, what we call normal temperature is the average body temperature of a large number of healthy persons. Okay. Now, clinical thermometer is designed to measure the temperature of human body only. और क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर जो होता है वो ह्यूमन बॉडी के तापमान को मेजर करने के लिए यूज होता है, ठीक है, डिजाइन हुआ होता है. द टेम्परेचर ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी नॉर्मली डज नॉट गो बिलो 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस और अबव 42 डिग्री सेल्सियस. दैट इज द रीजन that this thermometer has the range 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू 42 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ओके, यही कारण है कि इसका जो रेंज होता है वो 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस से लेकर के 42 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक होता है, ठीक है. बूझो गोट अ नोटी आइडिया. यू कैन सी हियर, बूझो गोट अ नोटी आइडिया. ही वांटेड टू मेजर द टेम्परेचर ऑफ हॉट मिल्क यूजिंग अ क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर. पहले स्टॉप्ड हिम फॉर डूइंग सो. कॉशन: do not use a clinical thermometer for measuring the temperature of any object other than the human body. और ये आपके लिए चेतावनी है कि आप क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर से किसी भी अदर जो है ऑब्जेक्ट का, ह्यूमन बॉडी के अलावा किसी भी अदर ऑब्जेक्ट का टेम्परेचर न मेजर करें. ऑल्सो अवॉइड कीपिंग द थर्मामीटर इन द सन और नियर अ फ्लेम, इट मे ब्रेक. और जो है सन के समीप या फिर सन में खुले में, सन के सामने या फिर फ्लेम में आप क्या कर सकते हैं, उसको नहीं रख सकते हैं, वो टूट सकता है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट द लेबोरेटरी थर्मामीटर. लेबोरेटरी थर्मामीटर, हाउ डू वी मेजर द टेम्परेचर ऑफ अदर ऑब्जेक्ट्स. फॉर दिस पर्पज देयर आर अदर थर्मोमीटर्स. ठीक है, कुछ अलग थर्मामीटर्स होते हैं, ठीक है. जैसे one such thermometer is known as the laboratory thermometer. The teacher will show you different types of thermometers are used for different purposes. The maximum and minimum temperatures of the previous day reported in weather reports are measured by the thermometer called the maximum minimum thermometer. ठीक है. अब कहता है आगे कि the teacher will show you this thermometer. Look at it carefully and note the highest and the lowest temperature it can measure. ठीक है, आपको नोट करना है कि कितना हाईएस्ट और कितना लोवेस्ट टेम्परेचर ये मेजर कर सकता है. द रेंज ऑफ अ लेबोरेटरी थर्मामीटर इज जनरली फ्रॉम 10 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू 110 यानी 110 डिग्री सेल्सियस. फिगर 4.4 ऑल्सो. ओके, as you did in the case of the clinical thermometer, find out how much a small division. Okay, so you can see here, you would need this information, also you did it in the case of the clinical thermometer. Find out how much a small division on this thermometer reads. You would need this information to read the thermometer correctly. Let us now learn how this thermometer is used. Okay, activity 4.4. Okay, now let's talk about the activity 4.4. Take some tap water in a beaker or a mug. Dip the thermometer in water so that the bulb is the bulb is immersed in water but does not touch the bottom or the sides of the container. Hold the thermometer vertically. Okay, and you can see what is vertically. This is your horizontally. Okay, and you can see the this is vertical. Okay, तो vertically आपको इस तरह से रखना है सीधा. Okay, not horizontally इस तरह से. तो hold the thermometer vertically. Figure 4.5. Observe the movement of mercury in the thermometer. Wait till the mercury thread becomes steady. आपको क्या करना है, कुछ टैप वाटर रखना है एक मग में या फिर एक बीकर में, और थर्मामीटर को उसमें क्या करना है, अब इमर्स कर देना है. ठीक है, ताकि जो है जो बॉटम हो वो टच कर पाए, और द साइड्स ऑफ द कंटेनर. होल्ड द थर्मामीटर वर्टिकली. ऑब्जर्व द दिस observe the movement of mercury in the thermometer. Wait till the mercury thread becomes steady. That is a laboratory thermometer. Okay, we are talking about the laboratory thermometer. You can see here, in addition to the precautions to be taken while reading a clinical thermometer, the laboratory thermometer should be kept upright, not tilted. उसको बिल्कुल सीधा रखना है. Okay, as you can see here in 4.5, that is measuring temperature of water with a laboratory thermometer. Okay, and second point is bulb should be surrounded from all sides by the substance of which the temperature is to be measured. The bulb should not touch the surface of the container. जो बल्ब है वो टच नहीं होना चाहिए कंटेनर के सरफेस पे, सतह पे. ठीक है. Are there any variations in the readings? Discuss the possible reasons. Let us try to answer these questions. Now let's discuss about the activity 4.5. Take some hot water in a beaker or a mug. आपको क्या करना है, गर्म पानी लेना है, hot water, or a mug. Dip the thermometer in water. Wait till the mercury thread becomes steady and not the temperature. Now take out the thermometer from water. Observe carefully what happens now. Do you notice that as soon as you take the thermometer out of water, the level of mercury begins to fall? This means that the temperature must be read while the thermometer is in water. आपको वहीं से begin करना है जब thermometer आपका पानी में हो. You may recall that while taking your own temperature, you have to take the thermometer out of your mouth to note the reading. Can you then use the laboratory thermometer to measure your body temperature? Obviously, it is not convenient to use the laboratory thermometer for this purpose. Why does the mercury not fall or rise in a clinical thermometer when taken out of the mouth? Observe a clinical thermometer again. Do you see a kind or near the bulb? What is the use of the kink? It prevents mercury level from falling on its own. Okay. Bujo now understands why clinical thermometer cannot be used to measure high temperatures, but still wonders whether a laboratory thermometer can be used to measure his body temperature. And here Bujo wonders why the level of mercury should change at all when the bulb of the thermometer is brought in contact with another object. यहाँ कहता है पहली ask, does it mean that heat will not be transferred if the temperature of two objects is the same? देखिए यहाँ पे एक चीज़ है, आप देख सकते हैं क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर हैज़ अ किंक इन इट. ये किंक होता है इसमें. ओके, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ कंसर्न ओवर द यूज ऑफ मर्करी इन थर्मामीटर्स. Mercury is a toxic substance and is very difficult to dispose of if a thermometer breaks. These days, digital thermometers are available which do not use mercury. और ये आजकल के जो डिजिटल थर्मामीटर्स हैं जो जिसमें मरकरी का यूज़ नहीं होता है, ठीक है। सो इन दिस क्लास वी अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द activities, okay, 4.5, 4.4, okay, and 4.3. Now we are going to start the transfer of it in the next class, okay. I hope you guys understood it. Okay, that's all for today's class. Thank you.